Donc, encore une fois, on les remercie vivement pour leur compréhension.
It's true that there was a change in the program, but we really want to thank the people who are in charge of the hub for their swift reaction in adapting very quickly to the change.
Donc, Dr. Abou, l'initiative de la visite vient de nos partenaires de l'Union africaine. Ils ont eu un peu de retard dû à des difficultés un peu sur les vols. Ici avec vous.
So the initiative of this visit came from our partners of the African Union. There was a slight delay with their flight. They are not presently with us, but we are going to take some pictures and videos in order to show them as if they are physically present with us here when they can come.
Alors, vous vous demandez sûrement tous pourquoi cette visite.
So you must have been asking yourself, why this visit?
Alors, vous savez, nos pays africains, nous sommes en train vraiment d'essayer de relever de grands défis.
Our African countries, we have taken it upon ourselves to face a huge challenge that Africa is facing as a continent.
Et donc, dans ce sens, le numérique est vraiment un levier sur lequel nous pouvons nous appuyer pour atteindre nos objectifs en termes de développement socio-économique, en termes d'inclusion, mais également en termes de régionalisation, d'action ensemble en termes d'une région.
This is the importance of this, that the number of development in Africa, as a region, in our everything that we do in life can never be overemphasized. That is the heart of this visit today. We have decided to build on digital in order to kickstart our development as an African continent.
Donc l'idée de l'Union africaine, c'est de vraiment montrer des initiatives africaines de notre région et des solutions qui sont là, qui sont en train d'être développées dans la région pour relever ces défis dont je viens de parler.
So the idea behind this visit and the reason why African Union decided to visit this place today is to show some of the initiatives that are taken at the regional level to show what we are really doing in order to develop digital or to use digital as a sort of development on the African continent, like I said it earlier before.
Donc l'idée c'est d'identifier vraiment toutes ces innovations qu'il y a au niveau de nos groupes et de voir comment faire de promotion.
The idea is to identify all these various hubs in order to see how to promote them.
Donc voilà en gros le pourquoi de cette visite. Et donc, puisque le temps nous est compté, je vais m'en arrêter là et laisser le soin donc à Dr. Abou de vous faire sa présentation.
So this is the result of this meeting today. Because mindful of the time, we don't have enough time. I'm going to give the leeway to Doctor to make his presentation and to tell you more about his home.
Dr. Abou, if you can do everything in 40 minutes, it will be pleased.
30 minutes.
Thank you very much.
Thank you very much. Once more, you're welcome.
Merci beaucoup. Une fois de plus, vous êtes bienvenue.
If you notice, you must have traveled long to get to this place. There's a reason for that.
Comme vous avez remarqué, nous avons parcouru une très longue distance. Il y a une raison pour ça.
Yeah, there's what we call digital inclusion, and Africa must abide by the philosophy of digital inclusion, where we look at the rural areas, remote areas, people that are below poverty or below the bedline, and also carry them along.
Nous parlons du programme de l'inclusion numérique. Vous savez, l'Afrique a des zones très reculées. Nous voulons que ces zones reculées soient aussi prises en compte. C'est pour cela que nous avons parcouru cette longue distance.
Especially when we talk about migration, how do we keep people from leaving the rural areas to the urban center to avoid overpopulation? So that is why td4pai Hub is what they call a community hub.
Vous savez, nous parlons de la migration. Les gens quittent les zones rurales pour les zones urbaines. Nous voulons que la technologie soit dans les zones urbaines pour maintenir les jeunes dans les zones urbaines. Dans les zones rurales, pardon.
And most of the time, as Africans, we borrow Western technology to African realities. And they fail because there's no technology adaptation.
Vous savez, nous empruntons la technologie de l'Occident pour les adapter aux réalités africaines. Et il y a toujours des échecs. Pour cela que nous voulons innover par nous-mêmes.
So what we're doing here exactly is trying to solve our problem the African way by using what they call indigenization of technology, which we'll be showing you as I make the presentation with my team.
Nous voulons résoudre nos problèmes africains avec nos propres moyens. C'est pour cela que nous allons parler de la numérisation africaine.
Yeah, this hub was established since 2008, and it's when you talk about a hub and the Internet of Things, IoT. This is about the only hub in Africa that actually has hands-on approach when it comes to Internet of Things as a technology.
Vous savez, ce centre a été créé depuis 2008. Quand on parle de la technologie des objets, nous sommes ici pour vous montrer ce que nous sommes en train de faire.
Okay, just for a start, it's very important for us to have what they call digital sovereignty, where you develop your technology according to your needs and peculiarities for sustainability.
Ici, nous avons Wazobia. Wa, c'est la combinaison des 3 langues majoritaires du Nigeria. Wa veut dire bien en Hausa. Bia bien en Igbo. Et Zo en Hausa. Wa en Yoruba. Ce sont les langues majoritaires qui ont été mises ensemble pour donner le nom à ce hub.
Okay, so if you take a look at this robot, it's just metal, but the brain is actually very boring. Then if you look around the hub from where you're coming, you can see all these printed circuit board, controller board. Everything was designed here and also made here by some of these young boys. Not everybody is here. We thought you coming on Friday, so how do other people that were also coming from other parts of the country? So I'll start the presentation now.
Quand vous voyez ce robot, ce sont des métaux qui ont été assemblés, mais le cerveau, c'est le cerveau qui fait contrôler tout ce qui se passe ici dans le hub. Ce sont des jeunes ici dans ce centre qui ont assemblé tout cela. Certains sont ici, d'autres, comme ils travaillent par élèves, d'autres vont venir le vendredi.
Okay, fine. Without wasting much time, because we've done a lot of demo, and here we hope to showcase how some of our challenges. If you look at the SDG goals of the United Nations, I think it has captured the whole challenges of Africa in 17 points. So we'll be going through some of the points, some of the challenges, and showing how we can solve it here. So I'll start with the presentation. So we mentioned about IoT. IoT is one of the pillars. Sorry, you are too fast. Sorry, I forgot.
Donc nous avons nos problèmes africains. Nous devons les résoudre avec nos propres moyens. Et nous parlons des ODD, les objectifs de développement durable. Ouais.
Okay,
nous allons les prendre un à un. Et c'est cette présentation que je vais vous faire tout de suite.
Okay, now, Internet of Things, IoT, is one of the pillars of the fourth industry. Make it very, very fast. Can you scroll? Well, the prime aim of this very hub, as we mentioned, is that I don't know if it's too fast. You have to too fast. That's what I was saying. The prime aim of this is to carry out what they call the diffusion of emerging technologies, such as Internet of Things, AI, cybersecurity, data science, and so on and so forth.
L'objectif de ce centre, de ce hub, c'est de mettre ensemble quatre piliers, pardon.
Comment? Répétez.
La robotique, c'est l'objectif primordial de ce centre.
Robotic smart systems, e-health, space technology. So we'll be showcasing the e-health over there. The health of a nation is the wealth of a nation. We just came out of COVID. Sorry, I'm the
Il y a la santé qui est au cœur de notre programme. Nous sortons tout juste du COVID.
Yeah, so we'll be showcasing the remote monitoring system, which can be used for pregnant women in the village using Internet of Things. It can also be used for the next breakout of pandemic. We normally have Ebola coming in. So the big question is, when it happens, how can one doctor monitor 1,000 patients? To have a solution we're developing here, which we hope to adapt, and hope to do that across Africa.
Le problème de la santé est primordial. Nous avons la santé à distance pour essayer de suivre les femmes enceintes dans les zones rurales. Il y a le Covid, nous avons plus d'autres problèmes. Ebola est en train de se préparer, s'annoncer. Nous voulons qu'au niveau, dans les zones urbaines, on puisse suivre les femmes pour avoir la santé de la population dans les zones rurales.
Okay, so these are some of our products here, which you see here. These are Amadioha, go back please. Some of our products, Amadioha, RFID card reader. This for identity management and security access control. Security
Ça, c'est pour les produits que nous avons ici, les lecteurs de cartes et tout autre.
Yeah, then Ruatronic IoT engine, that will be showing you here, and what I want to do next slide.
Should I see them?
Yeah, these are just some of the products. I'll just go to that. We've been working on drones many years ago. This as far back as 5 years ago. Trying to do some yeah, then you can see the Arduino board.
Certains de ces produits sont fabriqués ici, tous sont fabriqués ici, pardon. Certains portent le nom de leur fabricant ici.
Yeah, and then let me start with the Unity board. The Unity board is such a strategic board that today it has been adopted by the Nigerian government. The Minister of Communication and Digital Economy, Professor Isari Ibrahim Pantami, 2 seconds, made a public presentation of this very Unity board as education technology platform for capacity or skills development in emerging technologies.
Ce tableau a été fabriqué et a été adopté et présenté officiellement au gouvernement du Nigeria par le ministre de la Communication et de la Technologie.
Yeah, because with the fourth industrial revolution, jobs will be lost because new skills are needed. So the big question is, we Africans with our population, how do you want to upskill or reskill your workforce to be competitive? And it starts from here, starting from kindergarten up to the university. So that is the strategic importance of this. And that is where ECOWAS, AU should be driving. Our population is an asset. If we infuse knowledge in them, if you don't infuse, they become a liability.
En Afrique, nous avons une très grande population et la population est en train de s'accroître. Il faut que cette population soit éduquée, de l'école primaire jusqu'aux universités.
Go back. Thank you very much. This is an important question. I'm going to talk more because of this time. It's an education, it's an IoT, AI, STEAM education kit. STEAM, science, technology, engineering, arts, maths. So people are taught how to get the knowledge of Internet of Things on this board and also to apply it, starting from 8 years up to university. So it's for skills development. So it has been adopted by the Nigerian government for capacity development, skills acquisition from secondary school up to university. Not only that, this board is also used to apply for solutions. I'll be showcasing this to you. You can see the board, this board inside here.
Sorry.
We're doing a demo. We're doing a demo how this you have applied. With application, you learn that you apply it to solve a problem. We are showing some of the problems we are solving with SDG. So I'm going to show you how this can monitor data, tell the level of data. Even when you're not here, you can see it electronically. So this is happening now. We'll give you the link, you see it on your phone.
La démonstration qui sera faite et puis un lien qui sera donné.
Yeah, just a second. Yeah. Okay, fine. So fast, please. Okay, I'll call Lampa, come and talk here fast.
Le jeu, c'est l'un des fabricants. Il vient tout juste de finir sa licence. Il a participé à la fabrication de ce tableau.
Good morning.
Morning.
This is one of the IoT-based projects that we've done here. This is a tank monitoring system using IoT.
Le projet des objets, l'exemple de deux objets. Ça c'est pour surveiller les villes à distance.
We use this very tank over here. That's the picture of the tank. We installed a sensor on the tank. So he was asking of the application of the board. The board is basically a data acquisition platform where you have different sensors. Yes, you have different sensors where you use the board to collect data, route all the data to the sensor, then to a remote platform, which is what we've done with this project. So that sensor up there is what we use for the tank monitoring system.
À partir de ce tableau, il y a des senseurs qui sont éparpillés. Des données peuvent être rassemblées à partir des senseurs et les rassembler ici dans le tableau.
Yes, so on that deck you see a 3D printed circuit. That is a box that is supposed to contain the sensor for weatherproof, so that rain won't penetrate. That's the use of that. It's just a case for it. You see, it belongs to the tableau.
Yeah. So this box you're seeing here, what is inside here with go inside there. Okay, sorry, I interrupted.
Donc il y a le sensor qui est là-bas.
Donc entre le capteur et le tableau, c'est wireless ou bien...
What's the name?
Okay. For this we use wire, but you can also make it wire. But for this very prototype, we use wire. That's why you can see the wire over there.
No, you don't answer the question. Let me come. 2 seconds. Very good question. You see, the connectivity is in 2 parts, okay? From here, from this device to the sensor, this wire, and from the sensor to the cloud, using GSM GPRS network, using cellular network. So if you come, you have a SIM card, so it goes through the network and straight to your device. So we'll give you a link where you can actually see it on your phone.
Donc à partir d'ici, entre le tableau et le senseur, il y a un lien, un fil. Mais à partir du senseur ou le cloud, les nuages, il y a des bouches utilisées pour juste votre téléphone mobile.
Est-ce que vous avez bien compris? Sinon, je peux aider.
Oui, j'ai compris, mais ça me pose
Voilà,
un
en
problème.
fait, c'est le réservoir d'eau qui est là.
Oui.
Il y a un câble typique là qui est relié à ce qu'ils appellent une board. Et maintenant, c'est doté d'une puce qui utilise le GSM pour envoyer dans le cloud. Voilà.
Yeah, let me show some more light, okay? Let's ask, what problem do you want to solve with this? In Nigeria, for example, the oil you're producing, we have issues of oil theft. So this can help monitor your reservoir.
Tout dépend du problème local que vous avez, le problème auquel vous voulez apporter des solutions. Ici au Nigeria, il y a le vol du pétrole. Donc, à partir d'ici, vous pouvez surveiller leur réservoir. Voilà.
Now, the same thing with, if you look at SDG, water and sanitation, don't know what is happening to them.
Donc, nous avons les ODD, les objectifs de développement durable. Nous avons la santé et l'eau. Ce sont les piliers de notre projet. Donc, il y a des projets d'eau dans les zones rurales. À partir d'ici ou à partir des ministères, vous pouvez surveiller comment est-ce que les projets sont en train d'être mis en œuvre.
The same thing can be used for monitoring flooding, river level, flooding. This can be used to check when river that is far. You can have a central control. You see all the rivers coming up. Like we had River Niger rising, so before it happens, you already see it. The same can be applied.
Donc, il y a aussi le contrôle des inondations, les niveaux d'eau. À partir de quel niveau, à partir de quel niveau, vous devez prendre des mesures. Donc, vous devez surveiller tout cela à partir de ce tableau.
Okay, continue.
Before the end of the so the next project, this is a smart IoT based dustbin. While you were coming, you must have seen the dustbin. So what we did here is, as I said, all what we do is interface sensors to our board. So our board is a data acquisition, which is the primary thing. So what we did here is to install a sensor very similar to what we did with the water tank monitoring system. And that sensor is able to measure the waste level of your dustbin. Yeah, that is the sensor we're talking about. So that is what we use. So for this, that is a small portable panel to power the sensor.
Donc, avec ce que vous voyez au tableau, c'est pour voir le niveau des déchets. Les déchets dans les poubelles.
Okay, fine. Let me go straight. What problem are we solving? How is this problem we're solving? You know, waste management is really hectic. It's difficult most of the time. So we are creating.
La gestion des déchets est un casse-tête.
So we're creating an automated IoT-based waste management system, starting from the source, which is the waste bin.
Le système que nous sommes en train de créer maintenant, les carrières des objets, c'est à partir des déchets, des poubelles.
Yeah. So the waste bin is smart to tell the authority when it is filled to come and empty it.
Donc, la poubelle devient intelligente. Elle informe les autorités qu'elle est déjà pleine. Donc, c'est maintenant le moment de décharger.
Then the authority can see if the waste bin has been emptied. So it's two ways. This way, this way.
Et les autorités peuvent aussi s'informer si la poubelle est déjà déchargée ou pas.
And then for the waste disposal company, they were able to plan their routes because they already know which bin to pick. That saves time, fuel, and high efficiency.
Donc l'agence de décharge des déchets peut aussi programmer leur route. Quelle route emprunter, quelle poubelle décharger aujourd'hui, demain, Et comme ça, toute la semaine. Pour la qualité de l'air,
Just like temperature, humidity. So these are microclimates that can be pushed to monitor climate change.
donc, les micro-sensors qui peuvent être envoyés pour surveiller, suivre le changement climatique.
So this is not your regular waste bin. It's smart because we're adding more sensors to help us monitor our environment as Africa and climate as a whole.
Donc, ce n'est pas le genre de sensors que nous connaissons. Maintenant, nous voulons que le couvert soit aussi intelligent pour que nous ayons un environnement sain pour toute l'Afrique.
So very fast, this one is remote sensing. So we may have to go far, maybe maternity. So we came up with a solution for remote, what they call mobile health, M-health. Okay,
Et, ici en Afrique, nous avons le problème de santé. Ici au Nigeria particulièrement, il y a des villages où il n'y a pas d'hôpital. Donc on veut que le problème de santé soit résolu à partir de cette technologie.
So we come up with this solution where, as a pregnant woman, for example, we can have your pulse oximeter, measure your oxygen concentration, ECG, or your heart rate, thermometer to measure your temperature. Then a doctor can be in Abuja National Hospital and diagnose, see what is happening. So one doctor can monitor
Suivi à partir des docteurs qui est
like Ebola, like COVID. We have one doctor monitoring 1,000 patients. So each of these patients can have this on them, wearable. So one doctor can actually see 1,000 patients and then data is gathered on one.
Ça nous a aidé pour le Covid, et il y a l'Ebola qui arrive. Les femmes ou les malades peuvent porter ça sur eux. Un seul docteur peut suivre 1000 patients en même temps.
Sorry, I have a question.
Please feel free to answer any question. On this?
Yes, on this one. Adoption of this technology.
The adoption?
Of this technology, how far have you guys been able to adapt it? With doctors using it to monitor.
Okay, fine. So this is actually at the prototyping level. We are working closely with the PJ General Hospital with Dr. William. They actually gave us some of the some of the medical parameters that we need. Then we had a meeting with the National Primary Healthcare Development Agency of Ireland. They're supposed to be here. Actually, they're supposed to be here Friday. We will have to shift it. Okay, so if you look behind me there, where is that cooler? Where is that cooler? Where is that cooler for vaccine? Where is that cooler now? There's a cooler that was supposed to be here for goodness sake.
Il a posé la question de savoir à quel niveau d'application, d'utilisation ils sont maintenant. Ils sont en train de déployer, ça c'est le prototype. Ils sont en train de travailler avec l'hôpital de Koudjé qui est en train de les aider.
So what we want to do, and I think that is why we are very, very happy with this meeting, and that is why we have to drop everything, because we want what they call field deployment of this for testing, what they call field application. That is where ECOWAS can play a very, very significant role. Not only Nigeria can take it across the region, have what they call case studies, get more feedback, customize it to individual needs, and then it becomes an African technology and very affordable as well.
Donc, ils sont très heureux que la CEDEAO s'associe à ce projet. Ce projet peut être déployé au niveau national et aussi dans d'autres pays de la CEDEAO. Et ils peuvent faire le feedback, le retour, pour qu'ils sachent ce qui doit être intégré.
Okay, fine. Yeah. Please, let's do a demo. Can we share the demo, please? Are we sharing? Are we ready for the demo?
Please, I just...
Please, if you have questions, please.
I just want to clarify something. With the e-health,
Yes, sir.
the doctor monitoring, does it give an opportunity for the doctor to have a direct conversation with the patient?
Il est en train de demander si, en ce qui concerne la santé, le suivi à distance, est-ce que le docteur a